Hello, NP family. Welcome back to NPTressTreats TV. Today, I'm going to show you the Sunshine Yellow My Best Hair Kit. So if you are unfamiliar with the My Best Hair Kit, it is everything you need to make every day your most amazing hair day. Our My Best Hair Kits include a bonnet, a scarf, and a scrunchie. So for the Sunshine Yellow, this is the bonnet, and this is going to be the first My Best Hair Kit that offers the adjustable drawstring in the bonnet. So the Sunshine Yellow My Best Hair Kit comes with this bonnet and this scarf. This is the Tree of Life scarf. So the reason why I created the My Best Hair Kit is because it gives you flexibility in making every day your most amazing hair day. You can use your scarf to cover your pillowcase, right? So like if you're like me, you have a bunch of pillows on your bed. So you can take it, cover your pillow, tie each end, tie the ends in a knot, and then sleep on your scarf. And then in the morning, just take it off. You can take it off and wash it, hang it to dry. It takes about 30 minutes to dry. You can use it on your hair. You can tie your hair up. You can take it and you can use it. You can, if you want to sleep with your scarf, right? So you can take it, put your scarf on, and then put your bonnet over it. So this bonnet here is the regular size bonnet. So this My Best Hair Kit is available in 3 bonnet sizes, the 3 adult sizes. So regular, medium, and the BAB, which is the extra large size. This is the regular size. So you can see, and I'm going to show you this is the BAB size with the adjustable drawstring. The drawstring is available in all sizes, not just the BAB size. So you can see the difference. I'm going to put it on top of this. Oh, I don't know where I put the drawstring. Oh, here it is. So, and then you can take it and then, adjust it to your size. Oops, I can't see. So you can take it and then adjust it to your desired size. And then you could tuck it in. So yeah, so this is the BAB size. You can see it's very large. It's for longer, thicker, fuller hair, rollers, things of that nature. So again, this is the BAB size. This is the regular size. You can also use your scarf if you don't want to style your hair that day. You can take it into a cute hairstyle. So I'll do a quick little hairstyle for you. Let's go with a twisted headband style. So you're going to take your scarf, fold it in half, and fold it several times to make what I like to call a headband style. And you can take it, put it on the nape of the neck, the nape, and then take it, make sure it's even in the top here. You're gonna take it and you could do once like this, then take it again, crisscross it here, and then take these 2 strings and then tie it in the back. So you can have a quick, ooh, and then you can adjust it as necessary. So that is the Sunshine Yellow My Best Hair Kit. Again, it is available in 3 sizes. Thank you so much for watching. It is available at NPTressTreats.com. Love ya.